last 1 year. A year ago, Sonata software was, I think, 450 rupees, and now it's a 1,000 rupee plus. So let's do one thing. Let's get the management going first, and then we'll come to you. Now, there's a downward revision in guidance by global IT services player EPAM. That happened last week, and that hurt a few IT stocks. Now, EPAM says that clients have become even more cautious with spending, and there is some reduction in the order pipeline. To discuss if this is having an impact on a company like Sonata Software, we have Anthony Lange, who is the global partner officer at Sonata Software, who joins us now. Anthony, thanks a lot for joining us. I just wanted your thoughts on how the demand situation is playing out, because the views that we've gotten from IT companies has been a bit mixed. Some of them have said that, yes, clients are deferring their orders. Some are saying there's not been too much of an impact. Your thoughts?
Yes, good morning, Sonia. Thank you for having me. What we see at Sonata is it's pretty consistent with what we've been saying about FY24 and the growth that we expect. We haven't seen a real slowdown in our pipeline and our large deals. Our large deals continue to be about 40% of our overall pipeline. And our customers continue to invest in the modernization services that Sonata offers, whether that's business application modernization, data modernization, those types of things. So from our perspective, it's pretty consistent about the guidance that we have given.
Would this mean that you would stay on track to achieve that $500 million goal that you shared earlier by FY26? Are we on track to do that?
Yes, we are, Sonia. That's the plan. And like I said, we see our Quant acquisition is delivering strong synergy growth for our healthcare and life science and BFS verticals. And those are our two big invest verticals. So we're seeing a lot of data, AI related engagement, and synergy with Quant. We're also seeing a lot of excitement with our partners and seeing strong pipeline growth in collaboration with our partners.
All right. Hi, Anthony. Good morning. So that $500 million is for the IT international business, right? For the overall business, you're looking at
That's
around
correct.
$1.5 billion by 2026 odd. In Q4, you'll briefly mention that a couple of your clients in the high-tech space, well, there was some bit of uncertainty out there, some slowdown. Has it picked up now? And are you expecting the second half of the year things to improve far more?
So I don't, from our perspective, the tech was a headwind for us as we were coming into the year. I think the tech industry has really sort of gone through a lot of that. And it seems like a lot of that, some of the things around some of the layoffs that they had and things like that, it seems like their business is starting to come back slowly. And we are expecting a strong Q3, Q4 with our tech clients.
Okay, all right. And also, Anthony, we had management of Mastek who joined us a couple of days ago, and they said they're expecting the industry to grow in high single digits. Do you have a rough estimate about how do you see, say, mid-cap IT grow in the coming year, given the headwinds, given that all that's happening, taking everything into account, what would your rough number be in terms of an industry growth?
I'm not sure what the industry is going to grow at. Like, really what we're focused on is growing our business, right? And okay, hitting our FY26 $500 million goals and our goals for FY24. And like I said, we're very positive about being able to do that. The management team's committed to our strategy and the effort that the team has put in. And we're really excited about the recognition we're getting in the industry for that.
Anthony, hi, good morning. The stock's up some 80% this year. It's just been
it's a very good year so far.
Off the charts. I mean, apart from what we've discussed, I mean, is there something we're missing or the street is missing, or this is, the market's thumbs up, in your opinion, about what you've put out as guidance?
In my opinion, I think we're really focused around four things that are really helping us drive our business, right? First is agility and being able to respond to our customers' needs very quickly. And second is our flexibility in the type of engagement models and approaches that we bring to our customers. And third is our focus on continuing to enhance our modernization services. doing a lot of investment in AI, which is driving a lot of business and opportunities and pipeline for us. And then I think fourth is the investment that we have made in our partnerships, right? And our specific co-sell activities we're doing with our partners, the investment in IP and next generation services.
Got it. So all fundamental drivers as you are laying it out. Anthony, just one, I want to go back to what you said, right? You're not seeing any slowdown, deal pipeline is pretty strong, etc. Is it possible that some of the larger players will see the effects of any potential slowdown first and then it'll trickle down to smaller players? Or you think, I mean, if there were to be a slowdown in demand, I mean, it'll show up everywhere at once? I mean, just looking ahead.
Yeah, I mean, as we look ahead, like I said, we see Q3 and Q4 really being good and positive quarters for us. I think, here in the U.S., getting through the debt deal really helped. I think seeing tech sort of start to turn around in the market as well. And I think sticking with our fundamentals are really, creating opportunities for us with our clients and separating us from our competition.
Okay. Anthony, we leave it at that. Thanks a lot for joining in, and good to hear that there are no slowdown. There's no slowing down, especially for deals in your company, and you're on track to achieve that revenue guidance. Thanks a lot for being with us on the channel. Let's slip into a quick break. Before we do that, let me tell you what's lined up in the next half hour of the show. Anuj will be with us for a quick trade setup. Post that, we'll bring you the top stock picks for the day from our technical and F&O experts. And we also decode the stock rally in our Momentumizer segment. At 9:10, Nimesh will be there with the standout brokerage report of the day. And before the market opens in CNBC-TV18 Stock Board, we will highlight all the top stocks to focus on for the day today. Stay tuned.